My name is Tung 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 Sahur. That day, I lost everything. I stood there watching Ballerina Cappuccina walk away with Assassino. Not even a glance back. Just me, alone at the bar, drowning in silence. But life doesn't stop. Old friends pulled me back up. I trained, I fought, I rose. Money came, power came. But it felt empty. And suddenly the same people looked at me differently, with envy. We sat face to face again, Ballerina and me. But the past was gone. All I had left was a photo, a memory of who we used to be. When she ran away, I didn't chase her anymore, because sometimes love means letting go and finding peace in your own story. In the end, it wasn't about revenge. It was about choosing myself